Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2019 Z900 ABS. This thing is loaded with accessories, only 3,787 miles. It's got the cool little windscreen, awesome sounding Yoshimura Alpha exhaust. It's got side bags. That's what those long tubes are on the back that mount on it. Beautiful condition. Black, matte black, green frame. Price to sell quickly for just $77.99. Come on by. Make your Z900 ABS dreams come true. Oh yeah, it's got the Kawasaki gel seat. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostabs.com, where at any given time, we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.